as you see here, we get over here through Oklahoma, through the top of Texas. As soon as we hit New Mexico, I saw these cars that I wanted to get a picture of. Those Cadillacs on the ground. Meshack was moving fast. I said, hey, that's when we had to separate the ways. I said, Meshack, man, you've been dragging me the whole time. You on a time schedule. He tell me he gonna push from outside of Little Rock all the way home. I said, I'm not gonna be able to do it. It's already late in the day when we crossed into New Mexico. I said, you know what? I'm going to let you go. I'm going to absolve you of all my responsibilities of me, and I'm going to do me. I backtracked and ran back and got that picture with them Cadillacs. Then I continued west. So that was 75 miles back into Texas. Keeping it pushing. Live and direct. Where we at?
Somewhere on the other side of.
We just got into New Mexico.
Just got into New Mexico.
And I had to make this video because I'm turning in my paperwork to Meshack, releasing him of me. Because I'm holding this young man back. This one hell of a rider right here literally has drugged my ass all over the country. I've been talking shit back to him.
The word was literally, I have drugged this young man all over the country.
All over the country. And I'm drug out. So
He think he tired. I'm tired of dragging your ass.
Okay, and so I am officially tapping out at the borderline New Mexico. He got to be home.
Yep.
I got a little more free time than Shaq does. And if I didn't have the free
It's a good
time,
ride, though.
I can't keep up with him on this one. But we have called all people affected, let them know that I am solo. And Mr. Meshack, he'll be posting the video
I will post the video.
we made earlier. Cases event happened, just in case video. And it has happened. So, but I will make it. I will let y'all know as I continue to roll forward. But we're going to separate at this current time. Because this man, Sal, I'm telling you, this is my first go around. He did this many a times.
A couple.
You know. And I was talking big shit. Man, I'm right there. And yeah, it sounded good, but I was behind him the whole time. He let me lead a few times, but he took it right back.
But I had to, because you was
Going too slow.
we had Mini Coopers and Fiat 500s passing us.
Oh Lord, it was ugly. It was ugly. But yeah, we gonna recap this trip a little later on when I make the video up, and we'll have a long conversation about record or whatnot. Basically, it's informational do's and don'ts on the road. Gotta stay hydrated out here.
Yes.
And
not Red Bull.
Okay, he said don't do the Red Bull. I think I was overexhausted from the heat.
What do you drink?
Water.
Thank you. Now, you can drink a Red Bull, but don't be drinking it.
Don't sip it like it's syrup and whatever.
Yeah.
And I say the 3 R's for getting this yonder is ride, rest, and repeat. That's all I gotta say. Ride, rest, and repeat.
I'm about to ride.
I'm finna rest. Then I'm gonna repeat. Money's Car Stereo, we out.
Deuces.
Okay, so day 11 ends with me and Meshack separating in the Texas borderline of New Mexico and Texas. I backtrack 75 miles back to the Cadillac field, take the pictures. Passed it once, twice in the car once before. I said, I'm going to stop when I see that. So we get back riding. Now we solo. Yeah, we're feeling pretty confident about it. I'm doing my thing. I figured out how the Apple CarPlay, or say Android CarPlay, works with the radio. So I'm just playing some music. Nighttime's getting dark. Trying to, time to find somewhere to lay it down at. I'm just super comfortable. I'm riding in between trucks. We doing our thing. The music goes off. And I'm like, okay. It went off. Maybe the phone cord has come undone, bike's vibration, whatever. So I pay it no mind. I said, okay, I can't stop because I'm in the traffic. I'm in the zone. I'm swerving, speeding, flying, doing my thing. I stopped to get gas. Guess what happened? Phone number 2. On a Road Glide, if you have the phone in the left side of the front fairing, that hole is smaller than the right side. The right side that has a USB is a bigger glove box, can hold a phone. The phone fell off the bike in traffic, so all the information I had saved up at that point lost. Phone gone. I just spent $450 for it way back over here in Virginia Beach. And luckily, some of the stuff is captured on Google, so I was able to recover some of that footage. But lost the phone outside of Albuquerque, New Mexico. Well, we're gonna get on the freeway and look for the mall and find a Metro PCS and buy another phone. Me and Meshack haven't talked at that point. I'm in Albuquerque. I assumed he went further.